Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the REDARC Tow Pro Elite. Now, if you'd like to know more about how I installed the REDARC Tow Pro Elite in this particular vehicle, check out the video in the link above. Now, when the REDARC Tow Pro Elite is installed for the first time in the vehicle, it will go through a process called active calibration. And it will also do this if, for example, the battery is changed or the power's been disconnected to the REDARC system. Now, the Tow Pro Elite is very versatile in how you can mount it, and its mounting orientation doesn't matter so much as long as it's secure. Because of that, the Tow Pro Elite has to learn its direction of travel. In order to do that, that's when we do the active calibration. Now, the system will do it automatically, so with or without a trailer connected. Now, it takes about 20 brake cycles for the REDARC system to learn its direction of travel. Now, I've driven this vehicle for a few weeks without a trailer connected, so I believe the system's already calibrated in that respect. So if I were to press it now, I get a solid blue line, and then that switches off because I don't have a trailer yet connected. So in this video, I'll go through the rest of the calibration process. Some of it's already done, being our driving over the last 2 weeks, and the rest now will be with the trailer connected. So we'll get a blue and a green flashing. That'll calibrate, and then as it calibrates and the system becomes more confident, we'll get a solid blue line. And then whenever we press the brakes, we'll get a red ring around the actual Tow Pro knob. Additionally, the system automatically calibrates to what's called a proportional mode. So the harder you brake, the harder the trailer brakes as well. We can switch it over to user controlled mode, and I'll show you how to do that. So whatever setting we set it on, that's how hard the trailer will brake. So we'll connect the camper trailer up, make sure that all our lights and indicators work, and then we'll take the vehicle for a drive and we'll see how the REDARC system calibrates itself. Now, we've just connected up our trailer. We haven't yet driven the vehicle. We've just checked that the lights are all working, and you can see that the LED it looks like it's flashing blue on camera, but it's actually solid blue off camera. So I'm just going to set it to around 5. REDARC recommends around 5 or less for the first time that you're going to use your trailer brakes with the trailer. And then you assess how much braking you actually need, depending on the weights of your trailer. And then you can adjust the strength. So 0 being no braking at all, light braking, and then all the way up to 10, which is quite a heavy brake. So we'll test that out. We'll take the vehicle for a drive and see how this calibration process works, and see how the Tow Pro works as well. Alright, so we've begun that calibration process. You can see the blue and the green LEDs are flashing. So I'm just going to repeat that accelerate brake cycle. Alright, it's working, which is good. Do it again. Okay, very good. So system's still calibrating, still flashing with that green LED, but I believe it'll be completed very quickly. So the idea with this process is just accelerate your vehicle at a safe speed and slow down where safe to do so. Preferably come to a stop so the system can learn how to work properly. Just at 50 k's now, no one behind me, just jump on those brakes. There we go, come to a complete stop. Alright, so up we go to 10. So now this should act like a bit of an anchor. And off we go, do some braking and just see how that trailer pulls up. Alright, here we go. Whoa, hey, alright. So pretty intense, wow. Alright, so we're in user controlled mode. I'm just going to go back to say 4, so you can see the intensity changes with the color, as I dial up, so 10 being a very red intense. So I'm just going to go to say 6. However I press the brake pedal, whether it be soft or gently, the trailer will always brake at a, say, 60% roughly. So let's see what that feels like. 40. Yeah, okay. Wow, so very effective system with a lot of user control. So depending on, I guess, your driving environment, you might want to switch over to a user controlled, or if you're just doing your regular towing, probably a proportional mode, so the blue mode would be better suited. Wow, you can definitely feel those trailer brakes kicking in. So we're back in proportional mode. I'll just change it back to say 5 there, and we'll continue driving. The other thing we can do is if we do press it, it'll actually just brake the trailer. So say you get yourself into a situation where you've got trailer sway, one of the most effective ways to stop that is to actually just apply the trailer brakes. That's been proven to be ultra effective. So that's another advantage of this REDARC system. We can do that fairly easily. So we'll just continue driving. The system's fully calibrated, and that's working really, really well. I'm very impressed with that. So depending on how much and how hard I press those brake pedals, we'll get a corresponding proportional braking on the trailer. And obviously the number still changes the intensity depending on the trailer, but not to the extent of, say, user control, where it's at a fixed level all the time. So there you have it. That's how we calibrated the REDARC Tow Pro system in this vehicle. And as you can see, even without a trailer connected, the system learnt its direction of travel. And now, a few weeks after driving the vehicle with the Tow Pro installed, we connected our trailer with electric brakes, and you could see the blue and the red calibration process, so the blue and the green LEDs. And then after that, once the system was fully calibrated, it defaults to the proportional mode, so the blue LED. So with proportional, it's proportional to the brake pedal, the amount I apply, and that's how much it applies to the actual trailer. And we also switched to user-controlled mode, where we actually dictate to the trailer how much braking force we want, regardless of how we press the brake pedal. And user-controlled is a fixed level each time. And in either mode, we can do our manual override. And you can see as I press it, the longer I press it, the more intense the braking. So that's how we calibrated the Tow Pro Elite in this particular vehicle. I really hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.